So here's what you do. Books at the dollar store. Let's see if we can find any more. That one I already saw. That one I already saw. Alright. I think I've seen the other one here. Here's the stack of books I'm going to get. Alright, I am going to try to do a little quick video while we're going to the car wash. I wanted to talk a little bit about your time versus the cost of the item and how much money you're going to make. So I recently purchased, you can see over here, books over at the dollar store, or the 99-cent store. So on average, I'm making $5 a book in profit. And so you think, well, that's not the great return. But considering the amount of time it takes to do the books, which it took me 10 minutes at the store, and it'll probably take me 10 or 15 minutes to list it. So let's say 30 minutes into the total process, and I will make $5 a book, so $7. So we're at about a $35 profit. So again, $35 for 30 minutes of my time. Not a bad return, pretty easy to list, pretty easy to ship, and it's that way you just get them into the system. So that's why I did go for it. Normally I would want to do a higher return on investment, but at that point I was thinking, okay, it's not that expensive or not a pretty good return for the money when you add it up. But again, normally per item I wouldn't go that low, but with it being something where I'm going to see $35 for 7 items isn't a bad return. All right, car washed. Now sitting in line waiting for my kids to get out of school. Okay, so as we kind of said, return on investment for time, 30 minutes for $35, not a bad deal. For $5 an item, not great, but since they're so easy to list, it's pretty good return. Now, a couple things with the books, just to think about. You want to make sure, because you are listing them as new, so you want to make sure they're in good condition. Also, see the sticker that they put on the back? So what I did was, since I used the Amazon app to look things up, I just did their little facial recognition kind of thing that they have, and every one of the books popped up. So I would still even list it through the app when I'm creating the listing to send it in the Amazon, and just makes it easy that way. But yeah, they were easy to find with the facial recognition. They popped right up. Books, on Amazon is by far the easiest thing. Always hit or miss because it's just a lot of weight that you're dealing with. But yeah, at this, they were easy to look up, easy to ship. They're going to be pretty simple throughout the whole process. That's why books, I'll go down to a lower price per item, because I know I'm not spending that much time. If you make $5 for 7 minutes, 8 minutes of your time, not a bad return. So that's kind of why I'll do a little bit more lower price per time on books than I will on something else. And that's why a lot of times, like on yard sales, I will actually pick up a whole, boxes of books for, maybe offer them $10 for a box or something, where you don't even always know there's anything of value, but it's easy to scan through. And since you already bought them at that cheap price, even a couple bucks might still be worth, throwing it onto your shipment and shipping it in, because again, the amount of time that you're putting into it, it's not that much work. So hopefully this was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like, subscribe, and thank you for your time.